friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream. Friend, in this video we are going to check the free certification courses offered by the Cisco company. As you know, Cisco is one of the leader in the IT and networking sector. So free certification courses offered by the Cisco has a very important role in for both working professional and for the students. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. For that we have to write the Cisco free courses, then enter. Then we have to click on this first link. This link I will also share in the description box so you can access it directly. Now the window is loading. We have to wait for some times. Friend, if you have not subscribed to Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe it. The window is loaded. So here you can see different types of courses they are offering. The first is introduction to cybersecurity. The next is introduction to Internet of Things, and then entrepreneurship, then essentials in Python, and then Linux, and then networking essentials. So friend, this type of courses are free. You have to enroll it as soon as possible. So let's check the one of the courses how to enroll in these courses. So let's check the Internet of Things course. For enrolling, we have to click on this free course and enroll icon. So here you can see enroll now for free and intro to Internet of Things. So here is a small video is given. By click on it, you can see the basic idea regarding the Internet of Things. So here on the right side you can see the length of the course is 20 hours and the cost is free, and the level of the course is beginning, and the learning type is online self-paced, and the it is available in three languages, in English, in Francis, and the Spanish. So here you can, on the left side you can also see 100% online, self-paced and free, and the no previous experience required for completing this course, and the certificate of completion awarded at the end of course. So you will get the certificate after the completion of these courses. So how to enroll in the courses, let's check it. For that we have to click on the enroll now. Once you click enroll now, then this type of window is open. So we have to first create our ID for providing our email ID, first name, then last name, and then country and state, and the communication preference. If you want any extra notification or updates regarding the courses on your email ID by the Cisco, so you can select anyone, and then provide the these simple mathematical answer, and click on the I certify that I 13 years or older, and then create your account. Once you create your account, you will redirect it to the course page, and you will register there, and you can start your course. So friend, if you like my video, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.